Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you an interesting tool. It's called ComfyUI. So ComfyUI is the most powerful open source node-based application for creating images, videos and audios with Gen AI. So you would have heard about Stable Diffusion and you would have used various notebooks for creating Stable Diffusion. So now you can use those in a graphical interface using ComfyUI. So there is ComfyUI web also using ComfyUI free online, where you can use that entire thing for free online. And there is one which you can download and use it. So this is the actual ComfyUI platform. So if you go to their GitHub platform, you can utilize it. So you see all those images that is being generated using ComfyUI. So you can also create these kind of videos and effects. As you can see, all these are generated using ComfyUI and its nodes. So this is the videos. So you can look at various examples. So these are made with ComfyUI. So these videos, if you see here, all these have been made using ComfyUI. So these are like cartoons. We look at it. These are cartoons that have been made using ComfyUI. Let me show you this. So it can do incredible things using generative AI. Okay, so this is the team that is supporting it, and this is the collaborators for that. You can join the community. So this is available in GitHub. You can come here, and this is the most powerful and modular diffusion model, graphic user interface and backend based. So now you can see steps for installing ComfyUI here, installing ComfyUI. So you can go here and you can direct download this zip file. Then you can run it on services like Paperspace, or you can use Jupyter Notebook to run it. Okay, that is how you run the ComfyUI. So there are various examples that has been given here. These are the video models that you can use. These are image models that can be used within those projects. So now if you look at some of these examples, so let's look at this example. So in this in paint example, you will see one image where the part of that image is being erased out. So this image had part of it erased to alpha and GMP. The alpha channel is what we will be using as a mask for in painting. If using GMP, make sure to save the values of the transient pixels for best result. So ComfyUI also has a mask editor that can be accessed by right-clicking an image in the load image node and open in mask editor. So the following images can be loaded in ComfyUI to get the full workflow. And you can do in painting a cat with a P2 in painting model. So you see the cat has been added. So in painting a woman in V2 painting model. So this is outpainting. You can also use similar workflows for outpainting. Outpainting is the same thing as inpainting. There is a pad image for outpainting in order to automatically pad the image for outpainting while creating the proper mask. In the example, this image will be outpainted, as you can see here. Now, what does ComfyUI do? So it will give you a graphical user interface like this. So here you can pull and drag and use load image and alpha mask for painting. You can put the values here. So when you run that workflow, it runs through this workflow and creates those images and those videos. Okay, so now this is another example. This is a video example, image to video. As of writing this, there are two images to video checkpoints. Here are the official checkpoints for the one tune to generate 14 frame videos and the one for 25 frame videos. Put them in the ComfyUI model checkpoints folder. The most basic way of using image to video model is by giving it an initial image, like in the following workflow that uses 14 frame model. You can download this web pixel animated image and load it or drag it in the ComfyUI to get the workflow. As you can see, if you want the exact input image, you can find it in this link here. You can also use them like in the workflow that uses XTXL to generate an initial image. So now if you look at it, you can get detailed examples. So this is the stable diffusion video that has been used there. Now I can show you more examples here. So this is model merging, this is aura flow, there's something called Union video. So I'll show them to show you how it works. So model merging. So you can find these notes. The idea behind this workflow is that you can do complex workflows like with multiple model merges, test them and save them. So you see this, how it works. All those things have been, complex steps have been put in ComfyUI. Then that can be used to merge multiple models and create those images. So now this is an example of our aura flow. You can download the aura flow save tensors and put it in the ComfyUI checkpoint directory. Then use that. So this is the aura flow one. How it is used. So this is Union video model. So it's a text to video model. This model can also generate still images by setting the video length to 1. Okay, so there are various things that you can do with ComfyUI. So if you utilize it properly, you can use it to generate images like this, an origami world like this, which is being created by some of the users. Then if you see this, it's a short for Instax. Then you can create art similar to this. People have posted it in Instagram and they are sharing it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.